Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the application's language in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And at the your app's language section, click on the language button. And as you can see, there are two options that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use and then click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.